All right, so it's 12:01. Let's and it's Friday. So I'm heading home tomorrow. What's up for me is I've been having I think I'm experiencing I think the emotion or the state of mind is a kind of nostalgia. Uh and there's also this sort of bitter I don't want to leave my mom and dad, you know? I want to stay here, and I've been running around the house with screwdrivers and doing all kinds of, like, there's the honeydew list, and I kind of enjoy that, actually. I used not to enjoy that, but I really enjoy it now. And yeah, so it's this just trying to have a lot of compassion for myself, for all of it, the idea of being thousands of miles away, and yeah, it all feels a little bit overwhelming and just really sweet. Um and I've caught myself taking a picture of my dad taking a nap, and yeah, it kind of hit me. Yeah, so maybe we can just hang out and just be with whatever's up for each of us, and see if we can, from a compassionate standpoint, be there for each other and for self. So that's my goal for the next 12 minutes. Yeah, let's close our eyes. Just noticing breath coming and going. So easy to miss miss it all as it's happening, because we're not there. We're not present. Being present for the in breath and the out breath is enough. So much the mind wants to do with all the information, all the experiences, all the sensations. And there's this just being right here, right now, for just the simplicity of just noticing breath coming and going. Really all pretty simple if we can just remember, keep coming back to right here, right now, right there. It's enough. Just letting whatever thoughts, whatever sensations, whatever emotions show up, just welcome them. I think the goal is not to miss it. That's it. As it appears and that it's experienced. No matter what has happened in the past, whatever we imagine might happen in the future, none of it has the capacity to replace what's happening right now, which is us hanging out, being still, together. For certain is that the next moment will happen. I have no idea what's going to happen, but it will happen. And then as long as we can remember in that moment to just be present, everything will be okay. Just sitting, breathing, being. Once we can do that, and whatever appears, whatever we notice is manifesting in that moment is can be welcomed. Nothing to be afraid of. There's nothing to push away. It's just is right now. Taking a deep breath in through the nose, Long, slow exhale through the mouth, relaxing your neck, shoulders, belly, ends. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep inhale through the nose, slow exhale through the mouth. Just letting go, settling into right here, right now. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, open your eyes. Come on back. And yeah, hope everyone has an awesome weekend. Don't forget, it's always now. Appreciate you guys. Take care.